Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to fix a Telegram bot that isn't working. Bots can sometimes stop functioning for a variety of reasons, which can be frustrating, especially if you rely on them for important tasks. To get started, open the Telegram app on your phone. In the top left corner of the screen, you'll see the three horizontal lines that represent the menu icon. Tap on it to open the menu. From there, scroll down and select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Data and Storage option and tap on it. Next, select Storage Usage, where you'll see an option labeled Clear Cache. Tap on that. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to clear the cache. Confirm by tapping Clear Cache again. Clearing the cache helps remove outdated or corrupted data, which often fixes minor issues related to bots. After doing this, it's important to completely close the Telegram app. Make sure it's not running in the background, wait a few seconds, and then reopen the app. Once you've reopened Telegram, test your bots. They should be functioning smoothly now. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.